Hello and welcome back. It's a new week, and I will continue with welding on the frame and continue making other metal parts. So it's time to start the welding machine again and continue. frame repair is almost finished. There's not many parts left to weld to the chassis. In total, I counted, it's like 8 parts left. These stiffener plates go underneath here. And there will be 2 supports like this coming on each side in the center over here. Then it will be 6 holders for the cargo bed. That will be something like this, just with a little bit different angle than this. So it's coming forward. This part here will be the holder for the leaf spring that will go across the track system from over there and over to the opposite side. This is not the correct leaf spring package for this location, but I just want to put it there so I can illustrate how it will be. And there will come a bigger leaf spring package here that will go into this bracket, and this hole here is for the stud that is holding all the leaf spring blades centered in the middle. "2025 was a fantastic year. I managed to do a lot of the work I was planning to do on the Unic project. I have found the track system, and I have managed to get a lot of things done that I didn't expect and think was possible to make in such a short period of time. So I'm really happy for this year, and also next year I have some vehicles that I'm planning to buy, and new projects that I will hopefully bring home. So it's going to be exciting to see what will happen also in 2026. At least I hope I can manage to finish this project so I can go to Militrax. That would be fantastic. But there is a lot of work that I need to be done after Christmas. I will hopefully send the engine to a engine company that specialize in vintage engines. So I don't need to do that work myself, but the rest of the bodywork I need to fix myself, and I need to make the cargo bed. I will probably restore the gearbox myself and the tracks. And it seems like I have most of the parts that I need now to finish this project. It's only some small pieces here and there that I'm still looking for, but it's not totally essential for the build. If there is some issues that is not finished to Militrax, then I'm sure I will fix it during the summer. Main goal is just to get it in this state that it starts and I can drive around with it first, and then we will take a new little check to see. Let's check out some of the videos of the other vehicles that I dragged home this year. This year was a very busy year. I saved a lot of vehicles. The year started with me and my friend. We go and pick up his 2 Opel Kadetts. That was very rusty and crisp, but it seems that it will be possible at least to restore one of these Kadetts. This vehicle here is a Opel Kadett. It's a 1937 model. It was used by the Germans in the northern parts of Norway during the war. It's something that I'm going to start with in the future. It's a very complete vehicle. I have started restoring the engine. And then we went to pick up a M29 Weasel that I bought. This year is coming to an end. I want to thank you all for watching my videos, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you again next year. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and then I'll see you again next year.